Hello. Hey guys. What do you think, Kyle?
Is there any way to fix the screeching?
Probably not right now. Take a look.
I uploaded a video.
Yes, you did.
About sweeping. Check that out. Yeah, I'm telling you all about sweeping. Yeah, it's just like.
Here, check it out. Can you see this?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm sorry, it's just.
Oh, sorry. How about move on the other side of the bike for me?
Yeah, I will.
Will gets high in the wilderness.
Will gets high in the wilderness.
It looks so loud at first. It's Race Town Lake. It's the Race Town Lake. So it's called Race Town. I went kayaking in it.
Pick it up.
Cool. The bottom is really cool. It's all like red clay.
The bottom of the lake.
Yeah, the bottom of the lake is cooler than
You went scuba diving?
No, it's like red clay. You can see it along the banks.
Cool.
Okay, set down.
I think that's that cove over there. I think that's where I went out of, because there was a big island right across from it.
Wait, you were here?
Pick it up.
Yeah, kayaking when I was here when I was at Mercersburg for summer camp.
Oh, nice.
Okay, down. Up. Down.
It's funny that this is the first time that I can actually see the show because remember, like, they cost me $100.
See how that is.
I don't need those glasses. It's like, I have an idea.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I thought this was like go behind I was trying to use that.
Will.
See where the show is.
Hey,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Are we going on berry patch?
I didn't decide yet. I've been fixing a break.